Hello, my cutie popping queen. How are you doing? Yes, you. How are you doing? I hope you're popping. If you don't know, yes, your girl now have her eyelash line. So you can see, popping. We are popping. Okay, link to my mink eyelashes is gonna be in the description box. It's available worldwide, anywhere you are, and you will shop in your own local currency. So that's it for my lashes. Okay, now let's talk about my brow. Let me comb my brows. My brows is popping. So I went to Benefit Cosmetics here. I went to have my brows laminated. I know you'll be thinking I've already filled my brows. I did not do nothing to my brows. Nothing at all. This is my brows in its natural state. Okay, this is my brows. Okay, this is my brows. This is exactly 1 week. Yeah, 1 week. Yeah, 1 week after I had my brows laminated. Okay, so I had my brows laminated at Benefit Cosmetics. Okay, so you can book your own appointment on their website. Okay, you can book an appointment to go have your brow laminated, or you can just go to Boots and John Lewis. Okay, yes, if you're in UK, of course, Boots, John Lewis, and Benefit, I think they are flagship stores. Okay, they have one in Canterbury. They have one in Canterbury Street. That's where I went. Okay, in central London to have my brows laminated. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a little clip of me getting my brows laminated. Oh my god, you guys, Benefit Cosmetics, I love their store because it's all pink, nice. You guys, I had for you. That is your popping queen, your one, your only popping queen having her brows done. So this is the brows after a week, like I said. Okay, a little bit about brow lamination, what I understand. Okay, so what it is yeah, they kind of, it's like perming your brows. Unlike the normal tinting where you just tint your brows, this one they actually perm your brows. So they perm your brows before they actually tint it. Yes, something like that. So it's like a process. I think it's like 3 process, if I'm not mistaken. I think I will watch the video again to know. But what I noticed is after they did it, yeah, my brows, anytime I comb my brows now, usually when I comb my brows, it doesn't stay like this, as you can tell. So now when I comb my brows, like if I'm trying to fill in my brow, like do this, you can see. So if I comb my brows like so, like this, look at my brows. If I comb it, all I can do is to do concealer. So I'll conceal underneath here and on top if I'm going for the natural look. I don't even need to fill my brows at all. Okay, so this is what I love about the lamination. If not for the tinting process, but at least the perming process. Okay, professional brow perming. You know, you guys know Benefit, they are big on brows. You guys, this is why I love Benefit Cosmetics so much, and I love working with them because you guys know me, my brows gotta pop. If anything doesn't pop, my brows have to pop. It has to look natural and it has to pop at the same time. And Benefit Cosmetics brow product, they help me achieve the perfect brows. Okay, you guys, let me show you guys. Okay, I've got this goodie. So they gave me this goodie when I went to their store to have my brows laminated. Okay, this is it. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, this is what I want to try today. This is their setting spray. This one I want to try. I've watched a lot of video, amazing stuff about this setting spray. One thing about Benefit is perfection. Okay, perfection. Packaging, everything. Their packaging, their product, everything is amazing. So this one is brow vow. Okay, this is conditioning primer. Yeah, brow conditioning primer. Okay, So this is that brow conditioning primer. So I've got a lot of goodies here. I've got this Precision My Brows. Okay, this one, you guys know I use Benefit brow pencil on this channel, so you guys are not stranger to this one. I use this one a lot, the brow pencil, because you guys, they are very, very nice. The best brow pencil out there. You know what? Research about Benefit. Just Google Benefit brow pencil. You will know they are #1. This is Volumizing pencil. Gimme brows. Okay, you guys, I've got their Bad Girl mascara. Okay, I already have this here. This is one. Okay, this one is They Are Real. So this one is the one I've been using. That's the one I used today. But this one is Bad Girl. Oh my God, Bad Girl. You better be bad. Okay, okay. 2 blushes. And what is this? Oh, lip balm. Moisturizing lip balm. I didn't know Benefit has lip balm. Seriously? Let me check this. Ooh, wow. Trust Benefit. It has to be cute. It has to be popping. Wow. Okay. Oh, wow. Lip balm. Wow. Okay, I'm going to use this in another video because I already have my lipstick on. I did not know I have a lip balm here. Wow. This is nice. Look at that. Cute. Wow. Let's see the blushes. So let me see my blush. Oh, you guys, look at the blushes. Beautiful colors. Look at that blush. Let me open this one. Okay. Oh, I've got 2 colors. Best. So I've got this one, this pink, and this orange. Wow. I love this pink. This orange I can miss. I have used Benefit blush before. They are always pigmented, so you guys, I cannot wait to use this in my upcoming videos. I cannot wait. Okay, you guys, this is what I've got in my goodie bag, but I already have stock. So these are all the ones I already have here. I've got concealer. These are old stock. These are old. Okay, I have pencil, concealers. Okay, this one, brow pomade. Okay, I'll show you guys how to use this one. I use this one with a pencil, so I'm going to use them together. So I've got concealer there, I've got pomade. I think I've got basically everything that is there. Yes, what is this one? 25. Okay, brow setter. I love this brow setter. I love here. Okay, this brow setter, I'm going to use this brow setter. Wow, let's see. Let's even try it. Let's even try this brow setter. Oh, wow. Oh, the way it sprays. Wow. Look. You see? Do you see how it comes out? It comes out really nice. Do you see that? Oh, this is nice. Wow. I love. No way. Waterproof, smudge proof, fade proof. Wow. Alcohol free. Wow, microfine mist. As you can tell, when I was spraying, it was microfine mist. Leaves skin feeling smooth, refreshed, and hydrated. It does make my face feel hydrated. Oh, let me apply more. Smudge free. Okay, I'll use this one more often on my brides. So brides, get ready for me to set your face with this. I'm going to fill in my brows now so I can show you guys how I use the Benefit brows. Okay, this is a brow pencil. A lot of people don't know they have brow pencil. Okay, they have the pencil, the actual pencil. Okay, so this is pencil. This is in the color 3. I usually use color 4.5. Okay, these are the brow pomade, the ones I already have. So these ones I've been using them beforehand. I use 5 a lot. So this is the POWMADE. You can see 5. Oh no, this is not 5. What is this? 4. Let me show you guys which one do I use a lot. Okay, 5. You can see 5. This 5, there's a way I use it here. After I fill in my brows, I use 5 to kind of give me that, that natural, So I use 5 to fill it in, the pomade. Like I said, yeah, with the lamination, when you comb your brows, it stays. So you don't even need to do nothing to your brows, okay? The good thing about lamination is it's not like the tattoo where it looks like you did something to your brows. So you actually look like you didn't do nothing to your brows when you actually did something to your brows. Oh my god, you guys, I miss you guys so much. I miss coming here, you know, to gist like I'm talking to my friends. You guys, please show me love, and also show my lash line some love, okay? Ship worldwide. I have beautiful styles, okay? Okay, so which are we doing today? So easy. See how it's easy to use this pencil. It's soft and very precise. Did you see that? The brow queen. So as you can tell, my brows is popping. Okay, so what I do, yeah, I still use this one to fill the ends. So depending on the color, sometimes I use a little bit of lighter shade. I use the number 3, yeah, number 3. And I'm going for that natural. You know, this is not black, this is black brown. Sometimes what I do with the pomade is this, yeah, I use it like so, okay, and I use it to go like so. So you can also use the pomade to fill in your brows. See, so I use them like so sometimes, just to use it to fill in my brows. But I normally don't use this number 3 though, but let's just use it for the sake of this. Not every time. So there's 3.5 I use as a brow powder. Okay, they have a brow gel, the brow gel that you can actually use to do this. Let me show you guys. Where's the brow gel? This one, yeah, this one. Okay, this you can use, but sometimes I just use that. Okay, you know with makeup you can just use, you know, something that is not meant for something to achieve a particular look. So I used that, like I use the, do you see my brows? My brows is popping. I use the number 5, yes, this one, and I dip it in. When I dip it in, I use it to create strokes. Let me show you guys. With this you need a very thin brush. See, if you want to create like few strokes in the beginning. Doing your brows, trying to make sure it's perfect is one thing. Then now, making sure the camera is seeing what you're doing is another thing. Do you see that? So that's it. Now I'm going to use concealer and conceal my brows. I'm going to use Benefit concealer. I'll use that under my brows. So this is how I do it. I just bring that out and I do this. Okay, this is it. Easy. Did you see that? It's popping. Again, this step is optional, okay? I like to do this, not like I'm setting, but just to make your eyeshadow, you know, to blend. That's my perfect brows using Benefit Cosmetics. Natural popping brows. So now I'm gonna do my blushes. Let's use B20. Yes, Chichi, you are popping. Nobody can tell you nothing. So guys, that's my brows. Benefit Cosmetics brows products. Beauticianchic lashes. Number 20 is popping. You guys, yeah, you know how you spray your face, yeah, and you see like dot on your face, but this one is just like a mist. You can't see nothing. Even this close, usually it's still like this when you're spraying because of this mess, but this one, no mess, just mist. Okay, you guys, I love making videos like this. I'm gonna do more makeup tutorials, yeah. So yeah, this is so beautiful. I love doing this. Let me see if I can do my hair like so. Okay. Oh wow, let me zoom out for you guys so you guys can see me. You guys, this is so beautiful. So yes, that's it, you guys. All the link is going to be down below. Link for you to book your own lamination, brow lamination. Everything is going to be linked down below. Please subscribe. Turn on your post notification. Share with your family and friends. Okay. I also have discount code for you. Benefit Cosmetics discount code in the description box. So check out the description box. And I love my hair. Let me know if you love these lashes. I would normally not wear lashes this thick, but I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I look cute. Bye guys. Love you guys. Love you guys. Love you guys. Oh my god, I love this mist. Woo. Bye guys.